being recorded.
Now it's a retrieval question. Question number 1 is, what are the 3 common features of the plant and the animal cells?
Yeah.
Common features means both
Like,
the
wait a
things which are
minute,
present
you
in
know,
both type of cells. Yes.
just a second, miss. You know, I've lost my page actually. You know, miss, not the question is when you go past them, must,
Your voice is not clear. Clear?
you know, when it's like the retrieval questions
Yeah.
at the last, there must be a page about like articles for wider reading.
Yes.
There must be a small survey where point, or did you know?
Okay. What are the effects of the deforestation? This one. Page number 17. You have told me.
Yes.
Okay. It's left behind now.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, this is related to
Yeah.
the reproductive system. It is not included in that topic which we have studied now.
Okay.
Questions are related with the chapter of the cells and
Okay.
tissues. Only the second page, 18th page on the right side, there is one box. Did you know? Only that is related with the cell and tissue. And here it is written, which I have already told you about the longest animal cell is the nerve cell, which is present in the nervous system, which
Yes.
comprises the brain, spinal cord, and the nerves. And these cells have the long body consisting of the axons and the dendrites. Axons are generally the terminal ends of these cells, which connect or synapse with the dendrite of the next nerve cell. And axon terminals contain the vesicles filled with the synaptic fluid or the neurotransmitters. The neurotransmitter, the example of this is the acetylcholine. When a stimulus arrives, these
Okay.
vesicles fuse with the axon membrane and release this arc in the synapses to pass on the stimulus to the next neuron. Here in the picture you have seen below, synapse word is written where the two nerve cells are connected with each other. Right? The last label part is the synapse.
Yeah.
So here where the synapses has done, here is the neurotransmitters are released. That is the acetylcholine, which play a very important role, and it helps to convey the stimulus from one nerve cell to another. By this neurotransmitter, it is very helpful to convert the signals or transmit the signals and messages from one nerve cell to the another nerve cell. So this is the longest because it's like a chain, and it transmits the message to the brain. Understood?
Okay.
Yeah. Uh, After doing the retrieval question, I will
Understood.
teach you about the 17 page number because it is related to the reproductive system. That is the different topic.
Sorry.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah. You know, I
So I
didn't
hope
heard
you
you.
understand. Okay, okay. Now, shall we start?
Question is,
Yes, yes. The 3 common features of the plant and the animal
you know,
cells
miss, I'm like
are,
doing it as a home.
yes, I'm unable to hear you.
Okay. Wait. Mm,
My first question is the
Yes.
three common features between the plants and animal cells are the cell membrane, cytoplasm, genetic material in a nucleus.
Okay.
These three are the common
Okay,
features
so
which is
I
present
remember
in
two.
both type of cells.
Okay, so I remember one is cell membrane,
Yeah,
I guess,
cytoplasm, that jelly-like substance.
and nucleus as well.
Yes, yes. Now, if there is a question instead of the common features, if there is written the difference between these two cells, then what will be the answer? Difference between the plant cell and the animal cell? If there is a question between difference between the plant cell and animal cell, then what would be the answer? Now, is it clear?
Yes, Miss, it's a little bit
Okay. Now, question number 2. Which are bigger, bacterial cells or the eukaryotes? Which one is the bigger?
the second one is
Eukaryotes, yeah, because it
you
has a nuclear
yeah
membrane.
something.
The nucleus have a nuclear membrane, that is a double layer membrane, right? So this cell is bigger.
Okay,
Next is the true false. Prokaryotic cells have a
okay.
cell wall.
Tree.
Yeah, and the prokaryotic cell have a nucleus. No, because it's
I
false.
don't
Because
understand the second one.
prokaryotes cells have a nucleus. They have nucleus or not? Question is that prokaryotic
Who have nucleus?
prokaryotic cells have a nucleus is a false statement, right? In
Okay,
the
yeah,
eukaryotes,
yeah,
EU,
right.
U means true nucleus. Karyo means nucleus. So eukaryotes means true nucleus. So we can say eukaryotes have a nucleus, while the prokaryotes doesn't have, right? So that's why it is false. Understood?
Yes.
Question number 5. In what form is the genetic material in a prokaryotic cell? Prokaryotic cell, how is the genetic material is present? A single DNA loop. Okay. And in the eukaryotic, it is rounded in shape and contains the
Yeah.
whole material, including the nucleolus also. That's why we are saying in prokaryotes there is no nucleus because
Yeah.
it contains a single strand of the DNA. Next, question number 6.
Yeah.
Name 5 common parts of animal and plant cells. 5 common things.
And Miss, you answered this. Cell membrane,
Yes,
cytoplasm,
yes,
nucleus,
yes,
mitochondria. I don't
yes.
know another one.
Cell organelles you can count it in, right?
I don't know another one. The fifth.
Fifth one is ribosomes or both type of endoplasmic reticulum also, the apparatus. These all are the
Okay.
common parts. Now next question number 7.
Okay, no.
Name the 2 further features of a plant cells. Features which is only present
Gonna
in the
be
plant cells.
vacuomes and chloroplast.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so like
Because in animals there is no
yes.
photosynthesis occur, na? only in plants
Yeah.
due to the
So
green pigment, that is chlorophyll. So chloroplast is present in the plant cell, and the large vacuole is also present in the plant cell, in the middle one. And in the animal cell, it is very small in size. So it is also the major difference.
yeah.
Now question
Okay.
number
So
8.
miss, I always get confused between nucleus and vacuole. Actually.
It's a major difference. Vacuole is just a cell sac. It contains the food material, and while the nucleus contains the genetic material, and nucleus is the controller of the
Yes.
cell. Vacuole is also having a
Okay.
garbage material in it. Vacuole is not a very important one. It just stores the things, right? But the nucleus have
Right.
a genetic material. Like with the help of the nucleus, the cell divisions occurs, meiosis, mitosis. How it reproduces, it depends on the nucleus. While the vacuole has a just put the waste material outside, or it can store the things in it. Vacuole is just like that. Just like a store in a house is a vacuole, and kitchen in a house is a nucleus. Now you understand the difference?
Okay.
That is the major difference
Yeah.
between these two. Okay.
Yes.
Now next question is, describe the function of the nucleus. Question number 8. Nucleus contains the
How
genetic
do you?
material of the cell, as I have told you now,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So it is a major function that it contains the genetic material. So it is a controller of the cells. Next is, describe the function of the cytoplasm. What is the function of cytoplasm? In the cytoplasm, many reactions will occur. Can you hear me?